Grand Awakening, Virgo, my Earth babies. Positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. We have book a massage with us. We have great music, NFTs, ebooks. You'll love it there. Your word of the day is acceptance. Virgo, what do you need to accept to move on to the next step of your life, the next level of your life? Do you need to accept how great you are? Do you need to accept that you're not in control, and when you're not in control, you're in full control? It's time to go with the flow. I accept every step that life presents to me without resistance. I try to find what the universe is trying to teach me so I can grow stronger, wiser. Therefore, you can maintain and channel in bigger and better blessings. Thus, I advance in the freedom of the path of light, and you continue to excel to the next level. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.